Are you wanting to make a homemade cucumber mask? My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and I'm going to show you how. First thing you want to do is start with half of a cucumber, grated and peeled. We're going to grate a half of a cucumber into this bowl here. You can use any kind of a cheese grater that you want. Just take it, and you can press pretty firmly. Just like that, and it will fall out into the bowl. You can take it, swipe it. Smells delicious. Cucumber is actually a natural astringent. It reduces oiliness, it tightens the pores, and it also is great for reducing puffiness, for tired eyes. So we're going to take, here's our half of a cucumber, and I have some rose water here, and I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of the rose water. There we go. Smells so good. We're just going to stir it up. Nice and mushy, so it's going to sit really well on the skin. I would just recommend just taking it with your fingers, putting it on your face, lay down, relax, take a bath, what have you. Put that on, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're really going to feel the effects when you take it off. Your skin's going to feel tight and clean. And don't forget your little cucumber slices. Put them on your eyes to really increase the circulation around your eyes to have bright and youthful looking eyes and skin. My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and that is how you make a cucumber mask.